Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Jordan 1 by Jordan Brand. It comes in a classic black and red Jordan 1 box, this time with an orange lid, both with an age distress effect. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in old Jordan catalogue print and white paper for that lost and found theme. An extra off-white laces are also included, but as much as I love the packaging, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Yes, I know I'm a little late to the party. I had to take the loss on the chin and pay resale for my pairs. Yes, that's right, these are a 2 pairs minimum. It's the classic red and white Jordan 1 with a slightly aged look. I love the cracking effect on its white upper and black leather collar, plus the oxidized outsole detail and the mildly yellowed midsole. The matte red leather looks and feels really nice too. I stay true to my US 10, and as usual, purchase links will be in the description of my YouTube video. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment found to show me you enjoyed this video. So did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.